Hi guys, thank you very much for being with me during the course, and I'm really happy that you have completed it. As I said in the last lesson, this will be an extra one. It's a quick drawing about the interpretation thing I was telling you about. In this case, I'm not going to use the same colors, and I'm just going to pay attention to the face structure and forget about the hands. So, having this in mind, I'm going to make a portrait pretty different from the rest. The interpretation here is the main objective in this kind of portraits because it hasn't any base at all. So we are going to look for the right color palette for the situation. So I'm simply applying the criteria I consider necessary as we are not going to have a spotlight in the sketch. That's why I won't pay too much attention to it. So guys, I really hope that you liked the course a lot and enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks a lot.